Hi friend, today I would like to share with you about topic of connotation. What connotation mean? The associated or secondary meaning of words or expression in addition to explicit or primary meaning. A possible connotation of home is a place of warmth, comfort, and affection. The act of connoting, the suggesting of an additional meaning for a word or expression apart from its explicit meaning. What are examples of connotation? Connotation is the use of words to suggest a different association than its literal meaning, which is known as a denotation. For example, blue is a color, but it also a word used to describe a feeling of sadness. As is she feeling blue? Connotation can be either positive, negative, or neutral. What is the best definition of connotation? A connotation is a feeling or idea that a word has, in addition to its literal or main meaning. Denotation. Often, a series of words can have the same basic definition, but completely different connotation. They are emotion or meaning implied by a word, phrase, or sting. How do you know if connotation is positive or negative? Connotation is an idea or feeling that a word evokes. If something has positive connotation, it will evoke warm feeling. Meanwhile, something with a negative connotation will make someone feel less than pleasant. You call someone verbose when you want to say they are rich conversationalists may not convey that. How do you teach connotation? Clarify that the connotation of four words are the feeling, memory, and image that it conjures up in your mind. Describe someone, a celebrity, perhaps as a skinny, ask the student when they make them think about the person in question. Then change the descriptive word to lender and ask them what they think now. What is connotation? Key definition. Connotation consists of the idea, emotion, association, or image that come to mind beyond a word tag literal meaning. When we read or see something, we can think of it in literal terms. For instance, when we think of the term collie, we think of a certain type of dog that the word describes. Eating, a negative or positive connotation. Slim is generally used in a positive and complimentary way. Skinny is less complimentary. Sometimes a slightly negative word thin is almost always negative and implies the person being underweight or unhealthy. I think the word thin is just as nasty as the word fat. What connotative mean? Connotation is a commonly understood cultural or emotional association that some word or phrase carry, in addition to its explicit or literal meaning, which is its denotation. A connotation is frequently defined as either positive or negative, with regard to its pleasing or displeasing emotional connection. What is connotative effect? Connotation refers to implied meaning that are associated with a word in addition to its literal meaning. This association can be cultural or emotional. For example, the word stingy promotes a negative image. What is the connotation of school? When you school someone, it means you educated or put that person in his or her place. School has its root or ridicule That word original had a sense of leisure, which evolved into a blade of discussion, so you can see how school came to have its modern meaning. What are connotative words? Though not part of the official dictionary definition, the emotion and association connected to a word are known as its connotative meaning. Depend on how a word has been used over time. It may have positive, negative, or neutral connotation. What are positive connotation? Positive connotation are associations that are good or affirmative and make one think and feel good thing when reading the words. A word's connotation can make the word feel positive or affirmative in the context issue. Is happiness a positive connotation? When someone smiles at us, we have happy emotion. Happy emotions are positive, so the word might have positive connotation. When someone smirks at us, we have sad or maybe a mad emotion. Sad or mad emotions are negative, so the word must have negative connotation. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.